So business music system is really what we call the range of applications. You might call it commercial audio, but it covers restaurant and retail. It often is supporting larger installations in stadia or in performing arts centers, and also conferencing. So it's really the range of ceiling and surface mount speakers, loudspeakers, electronics, amplifiers, software, and control that goes into those applications. What I would say about the products that we're launching here at this show, why now? Well, really, audio quality these days is generally pretty high. I would like to think that we lead in that area as well, but more and more the emphasis is on other parameters that are just as important or even more important to the integrator and to the actual end user themselves. Things like the aesthetics of the install. So what does the speaker actually look like when it's in place, and how quickly can it be installed, right? We know that the time on site is the most expensive time, and so placing emphasis on features that allow the integrator to get in and out in the shortest possible time period with the least likelihood that they'll have to go back to fix something or make an adjustment, those are now becoming increasingly important. We've had products in this space for 40 or so years, but they've been loudspeakers, they've been amplifiers, they've been processors, they've been software, and so what we've done now, really for perhaps the first time, certainly on this scale, is to draw all these things together so that they're a cohesive ecosystem, because it's only when they are all working together that you get the full benefit for the designer, installer, and end user. Why Bose? Well, as we know, this is a very relational business, right? So when an integrator or designer is pitching their customers, it's their reputation that's on the line. And so what's important for us is to be as supportive of them as possible. I think especially now, in this day and age of corporate mergers and acquisitions, it's more and more important to that integrator or that designer that they know that the product that they recommend, that they can stand behind it, not just today, but also for years to come, and that's why it's that important.